learn how to conjugate the verb ER in the present tense. Apprendre à conjuguer les verbes ER au présent. Les verbes en ER: manger, parler, aimer, commander, oublier. Manger means to eat. Parler, to speak. Aimer, to love or to like. Commander, to order. Oublier, to forget. Okay, so here is how we conjugate verbs that end with ER. Here I choose to conjugate the verb parler. So ER makes the sound E, parler. So I remove the ER, I'm keeping the root of the verb, and for each subject, I'm putting a specific ending. And it is going to be true for all the ER verb. So for je, the ending will be the letter I, or in French, E. And I'm going to say je parle. And then for tu, which is you informal, it's going to be es. Tu parles. Remember, the S at the end of a word is silent. Tu parles. Then il parle. So all those verbs are going to sound the same. Parle, parle, parle. Je parle means I am speaking, or I speak. I am speaking. Tu parles, you are speaking, or you speak. Il parle, he is speaking. Elle parle, on parle. Remember, on is conjugated like il. Okay, for nous, the ending will always be ons, which sounds like on. Nous parlons. And then for vous, it's vous parlez. Easy. And then the last one, they are speaking or they speak, is ils parlent. So the N and the T are silent. So all those 4 verbs sound the same. Parle, 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 and parle. And then I have parlons and parler, which sound exactly like parler, to speak. Okay, if I'm taking the verb aimer, so aimer is an ER verb, so it's going to follow the same pattern, but it starts with a vowel. So I like or I love, my je, J-E, is going to become G apostrophe. J'aime. J'aime, I like or I love. And then tu aimes, il aime. Okay. Remember that that verb here is going to sound like M as well, because the N and the T are silent. But let's go back to nous. So nous, the ending is ONS. The only thing that changes is the Z sound with the verb. Nous aimons. And then vous aimez. And ils aiment. Okay. So here is the exercise. You can pause it if you want and do the exercise. I'm going to give the answer right now. So if you want to do the exercise by yourself another time, just stop the video and play it when you are done. Okay. So nous with the verb aimer. So again, I remove the ER. And for nous, I know that the ending is ONS. So nous aimons le chocolat. We like chocolate. Je. Donner. So donner, it looks like the word donation. It means to give. Donner. For je, the ending is I. Donne. Je donne un cadeau. I'm giving a present. Il, and then the verb is penser, to think. For il, the ending, so remember I removed the ER, the ending is I. Il pense beaucoup. He thinks a lot. Vous, so the verb is manger, it is an ER verb. For vous, the ending is easy. Vous mangez beaucoup. You eat a lot. Here the verb, I forgot to write it, but the verb was commencer. Commencer to start. Elle commence un livre. She's starting a book. Laver, to wash. Il, the ending is going to be ENT. Remember the N and the T for the verb are silent. Il lave la voiture. The verb étudier. So I remove the ER and the subject is tu. So I'm going to put instead ES. Aujourd'hui means today. Tu étudies, so you are studying le français, French. The verb étudier, it has that I here. At the beginning of this presentation, we had the verb oublier, which means to forget. Oublier also ends with IER. So it's going to follow the same pattern, but that I here is not to be forgotten. So I'm going to set the verb oublier. I'm going to conjugate oublier. So oublier starts with a vowel and it has the ending IER. So same thing, I'm going to remove the ER and put E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, and ENT. And I'm going to put G apostrophe at the beginning because oublier start with the letter O, a vowel. So it's going to sound like this. And maybe you want to pause the video and write down how you would conjugate the verb oublier in the present tense. So you can pause it and then listen to me. So here it goes. J'oublie, tu oublies, il oublie, nous oublions, vous oubliez, ils oublient. Très bien.